Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to a new tutorial on the Desire channel. Today, I'm here to introduce you to a very useful and feature-rich AI tool. The name of this platform is Clipfly. Before we start, I'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. As always, we'll open Google and search for Clipfly AI. The first result in the search is the official Clipfly website. We'll click on it and enter the site. This is the homepage of the website. As you can see, there are tons of features here. We'll click on the Generate button. This takes us to a new page where you can see all the different tools. First, we need to click Sign In at the top to access the website's features. You can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or email account. I'll sign up with my Gmail account. After you've signed up, you'll see you have 15 credits in the top right corner. You can also get daily credits by clicking on the gift icon to the left of your credits. It gives you daily tasks to complete, like publishing the images and videos you create with this tool. I'll go back to the main page. I'll click the refresh button, and as you can see, my credit count has gone up to 16. Later in the video, I'll show you how to use this site for free without any limits. As you can see, the AI video tool lets you create videos using text to video, image to video, and AI movie. With AI image, you can create pictures from text or convert one image to another. And with AI music, you can create songs with AI. First, we'll start with AI image and click on text to image. Once we're on this page, you can write your prompt in the section on the left. Give me a prompt, a beautiful girl in bikini dance wear in front of the pyramids of Tenochtitlan. I'll click the Generate button to have it write the prompt. After it writes the prompt for me, I'll copy it and go back to Clipfly. In the text to image section, I'll paste my prompt. From here, you can enable the negative prompt option and write down anything you don't want to see in your image. In this section, you can choose how many images you want to generate. And here, you can select the style for your image. I'll use the photography style. As you can see, creating one image costs you 1 credit. Now I'll click the Generate button and wait for my image to be created. My image is ready. As you can see, it did a beautiful job. You can download your image from here and save it to your computer. Now I'll go back to the home page. In the AI image section, I'll click on Image to Image. On the left, I'll click this button and upload the image I just created. After it's uploaded, you can write your prompt, or you can leave it blank and just choose your preferred style from the options below. I'll select the anime style and click Generate. My image is ready. I created 2 images, and as you can see, it did a beautiful job converting our picture into the anime style perfectly. Now let's go back to the home page, and from the AI video section, I'll click on Text to Video. When we get to this page, we can write our prompt here. I can also use these tabs at the top to switch between generating images and generating videos. I'll select the Image to Video option and upload the image I created earlier. Once my image is uploaded, we can write our prompt and choose how many videos we want to create. We can also enable the option to automatically add background music. There are 3 models available: Standard, Professional, and Premium. The Premium version costs 40 credits, Professional is 20 credits, and the Standard version uses 10 credits. I'll use the Standard version. I won't write any prompt or select any style. I'll click Generate and wait for my video to be created. It usually takes about 30 seconds. My video is ready. As you can see, it has a few minor flaws, but overall, you can create good videos with it. About 1 out of every 3 or 4 videos turns out well, depending on whether your image is simple or complex. As you can see, I have only 3 credits left. Now, let's move on to the most important part of this tutorial, getting unlimited use of this site. I'll go back to Google and search for Male Meteor. After searching, I'll click the Generate Gmail option. Once you're on this page, clear this field and type a username you like. Try to make it long so it's not a duplicate. Then, click the Generate button. As you can see, it suggests 496 different Gmail addresses for us. You can copy and use any of them. I'll copy the last one and go back to the Clipfly website. I'll click on my account and select Sign Out. I'll sign out of my account. This time, I'll click Sign In again. Once this page appears, I'll click on Create an Account. This time, I'll paste the email I just created and set a password for it. I'll click Sign Up. As you can see, we've created a new account and have 15 credits, which you can use to generate plenty of videos or images for yourself. Now let's move on to AI music. I'll click on it. This page will appear. In this section, you can write the lyrics for your song. I'll go back to DeepSeek and ask it to write a song for me in Portuguese. I'll click Generate. It has created our song lyrics. Now I'll copy them and go back to Clipfly and paste the text here. I won't change any of the other settings. From the bottom, you can choose your styles, such as pop, hip-hop, rock, metal, and classical. I'll choose classical. Now I'll click Generate. As you can see, this will deduct 5 credits from my account. I'll wait for my music to be created. As you can see, the music is ready. Let's play it.
No silêncio da noite eu me perco a sonhar.
It created our music beautifully and sounds really good. You can download and listen to it. This site has many more features that you can explore, from removing watermarks to changing faces, or placing your product in a new setting. You can check them out and use them. Well, my dear friends, I hope this video was useful for you. If it helped you and you enjoyed it, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, Desire. Take care. Goodbye everyone.